Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader. Let's make money together. Today is 2nd December 2024. New York session live. Let's do this. So, before I begin this stream, this is the 108th session of live trading. Back to back profits, baby. Back to back profits. And yeah, if you can hear me clearly, it means the audio setup has been improved. So, yep. So without wasting any time, let's move on. Let's do a quick recap of what happened on Friday. On Friday, as we were trading during London session and New York session, I clearly mentioned that I'm gonna short. And I did. And just right about here, because it was Thanksgiving Day, I clearly mentioned people to don't open their trades because the market is gonna close early, but some brokers gonna close early, but the market will still be open. But we had our plans. By the grace of Almighty, all our TP 1, 2, 3, 4 got hit. Short term scalp trade. By the way, a lot of people are asking me, am I still bullish or bearish regarding gold? So the answer is, you have to wait. You have to wait. This was the market session. As soon as New York session ended, today when Tokyo session started, it went down. It hit RTP, and this is where we hit our entry around 2622. And currently right now, the New York session has just opened. If you see today, intraday low is 2622. And London high and New York high is 2646. If gold breaks 2646, is gonna head back and retest Tokyo close. After that is gonna go retest London and New York high yesterday, and the day before that on Thursday of last Thursday. So yeah. By the way, I'm gonna keep the stream short because after the stream I have to go teach the other half of the batch 4. So I'm gonna keep the stream short. The market is ranging, is gonna range. The ISM services is gonna come exactly after 2 hours. 1 hour, I think 1 hour 30 minutes. I think I'll be here till that data comes out. After that, I'll be busy. I'm gonna be busy with teaching the 4th batch. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also, I could not upload the weekly analysis because I was busy, but since my audio setup has been updated, I will today upload gold and Bitcoin weekly update. If any of you guys were watching if you guys watched my last week Bitcoin analysis, I clearly mentioned that. Hold on a second, let me remove this excess. That Bitcoin right now is about to drop down, but seems like that Bitcoin is in a range, sideway range. It went back up on Friday, came back down. It was nice sell profit, and then up. It went up from here. We took a buy, and then it dropped down over from here. This area was marked down by a lot of people, and they were entered short over here. I missed this short because I was sleeping, but guess what, my algo on my laptop, it took the short, but I manually could not, so I'm in profit. So rest assured, always have a backup plan. This is why I say always have a backup plan. Let's wake up the neighborhood just in case. Today is gonna be scalp session. This is, by the way, yesterday, last Friday low and last Friday high, if I'm correct. Yep. So let's do this. Okay, so gold is just retesting last Friday London and New York high, still heading up. Welcome to the stream. If you are new to the stream, please like and subscribe the channel. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Let's go quickly without wasting any time. We are scalping gold right now. If you have a buy running from somewhere around 26.27 or 26.22, if you took that trade during London session, that's good. If you took that pre-London market, that's good. If you took that trade in Tokyo session, that's also good. If you took that in Tokyo session just like me, your stop loss would be in a safe area. If you took that in pre-London and London, then you would be again be profitable. Don't forget to take your partial profits. Right now, we are heading to the same area where we took our trade on last Friday. Last Friday, we took a short sell from 2663 on live stream. And I said that we have two TP areas. We have lots of TP areas, but initially there were two zones. First zone was 2640. The second zone was 2620. And I said that if it breaks 2640, it's gonna go retest 2620 because it was Friday. But it didn't drop down on Friday because of Thanksgiving. Sorry, Black Friday. But on today, this morning in Tokyo session, it just dropped down. As soon as the market opened, it went down, went up, and then made a lower low, retested the bottom, and over there we got a nice entry. Now, given that if you guys are keeping yourself up to date what's happening in the world, the Syria war has started. The news started coming on 30th November that the rebels have started taking the cities in Syria, the ancient city Aleppo. The rebels took it, they made hostages, and immediately when this news circulated in the social media, America immediately gave a press release that America is not behind this. So as soon as you hear a press conference in which they have to actually come out and say we didn't do that, guess what, they're behind it. Just right about time when we had Israel and Lebanon ceasefire, even if the ceasefire is just on paper, they're actually dropping bombs on each other and fighting. This news coming out of nowhere is just clear that Joe Biden is trying to leave America in the worst possible scenario, situation, environment to Donald Trump. And Donald Trump is going to have tough time. He's against the war. War is bad for business. But Joe Biden, everything is good for him. Why? Because they're selling armaments, defense industries. Gold went up because of that. Anyways, right now, when the gold dropped down before this news, the Syrian war news, gold was going down because the new Treasury Secretary didn't have any authority to sign the documents, and Joe Biden is still the president. And it dropped down because of inflation going up, the data coming in, and right now the entire Wall Street, the earnings, everything is up. It's too much optimism, and the Wall Street traders are basically planning to sell it. So you have to watch Bloomberg, you have to keep up, you have to watch at least one financial news channel when you are trading to know exactly what's happening. Besides this, right now you have to watch CNN or other any. I'm not promoting, it's just an advice, okay? You have to keep an eye because too much war, too much stuff is happening. Anything that comes out is gonna directly affect gold if you're specifically trading gold. And this week we have NFP. So just like always, we're gonna try to open our trades on Monday and Tuesday and take partial profits. Some of the trades we'll try to carry those trades towards Thursday and Friday. Towards Friday NFP. Let's just say we got the buy trade right now on gold, okay? And gold just breaks all-time high and it keeps on heading up. Then it's gonna be good for us. Okay, but before that, we have to be realistic. Today is really important in terms of because last Friday it was Black Friday and the market closed off early. Today we have COT. If you are not familiar what COT is, it's commitment of trader. We're gonna have it. It's gonna include all forex pairs, dollar, euro, pound, yen, and a bunch of other commodities, metals. If either you trade gold, crude oil, soya beans, wheat, anything, everything, it's included in it. It's gonna get released, so don't forget to check it out. It's really important. Last month gold candle, sorry, I should I forgot. Last month gold candle closed bearish, so let me turn this off. Last month gold candle turned bearish, so you guys have to be really careful. We are in this buy, but this is a scalp buy. If you have your buys running from 2400 range, 2500 range, you're all right. But if you're just scalping, just scalp your way up. Right now, if gold wants to break this above this zone, it has to break all-time high and then retest and go above. As of now, we are in that danger zone because as long as gold is below 2650, gold is bearish. So keep that in your mind whenever you open a buy trade, that the last monthly candle is closed in bearish, and this has happened at almost like 7-8 months, and this is enough to switch the stance of the Wall Street from bullish to bearish. And Trump is coming, dollar is rallying, and next month Fed is gonna decide. No, next month, sorry, this is the December. I forget that December has started. From today till Friday, Fed, you're gonna listen a lot of Fed members, Fed William or Fed Waller. They're gonna make a lot of remarks, and even Paul is gonna have a speech, I think, on Wednesday or Thursday, followed up by ISM and unemployment. Unemployment is not gonna have any effect, that much effect, because inflation is still up. In any case, all the news that is coming out is a danger zone for gold. But even then, if gold manages to break above, keep an eye. By the way, please hit the like button. And if you're new and watching the stream for the first time, subscribe, like and subscribe. Give me 1 minute, just 1 minute. This is, by the way, gold. Let's move back. This is the 5-minute candle. I'm still saying we are bullish, we are bullish, we are bullish in gold. If you want to see my positions, my position is over here. Oh fuck. Hold on a second. My trade is running. My trade is running over here. I have taken partial profits all the way up till here. Let me update this. Gold right now is in the Fibonacci area. The golden zone is just, when it went up, it retested the Fibonacci golden zone 0.50 and it went up. Right now, it's just retesting that area again. Right, and as I said above, my eyes is on 2654. As soon as it breaks 2654, it's gonna straight head up, and that's where I'm aiming for. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you're new. We'll try to keep it simple. If you have any questions, you can ask me. It's really important for me to exactly know what market session this is, because and what was the low and the high and where was the previous low and high, because it really helps. I'm still looking at, yes, from last Friday, this was the area where the price came back, retested, went up and then dropped down finally near the New York end. And during the Sydney, when the market opened, before the Tokyo opened, this was Sydney session, is dropped down. Tokyo, this was Tokyo low over here. So right now we are in between Tokyo and last Friday New York open. We are in between. So if you are somebody who just are like trading right now, please be really careful when opening a buy or a sell. Put a stop loss, because you are opening your trade in the middle of the trend. If you have your trades running from the bottom, that's good. But if not, please wait, because before the data comes out, the market will try to take out your stop loss. If you are opening your trade in the middle of the sideway range. By the way, guys, this is the let's focus. Welcome to the stream, by the way, whoever is watching. Give me a minute, let me go grab my tea. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So gold is pushing up and our trades are in profit, and we did exactly everything that we were supposed to do in order to stay profitable. Get in a nice area using Fibonacci, put a stop loss, open layers of trade, take partial profits at TP1, 2, 3. Then before that, as soon as the trade hits TP1, put all the trades on break even, so we are running at zero risk and 100% profit guaranteed. Just in case something happens, this pushes down, you're just at break even, your stop loss doesn't hit. This is like you always stay profitable. Just 1 hour away from ISM. Dollar index is trying to make a small retracement. Euro USD same. What I'm right now suggesting everyone who's watching the stream is look for short-term entries, get in, take your profits and get the hell out. If you're looking for something big, please wait till you listen to my analysis. Yes, that's really important. I'm gonna upload the analysis tonight, late night, because after the stream I have to go start batch 4. The first half I taught in the morning during Tokyo, right now the other half. And by the way, I am announcing group 3 of Pro Bull Trader, and currently the 25% is still off. For anybody who likes to join the premium signal group, it's off on 1 month, 3 month, yearly and lifetime. It's off until Christmas. Yeah, it's like a Christmas gift. Christmas and a New Year gift. I'm doing this for the first time. Sorry, I was just eating something. Okay, let's go in. This is our trade. I need you guys active. If you don't have any entry right now, you can message me. I can at least help you with your entries. But as of now, gold is just pushing up. If you are scalping, put a stop loss really tight around here. My trade is still running, but just for the sake of this stream, I'll open one more trade right now. But before that, like the video and stay active. Bitcoin is still moving down. Those of you who watched my Bitcoin and weekly analysis, I clearly mentioned that Bitcoin is headed down, and I used Fibonacci and a bunch of other Elliott wave and a bunch of other stuff to confirm that we were in profit, we are in profit. Even right now is making an upward movement. What I have came to understand that Bitcoin is in a sideways range, but again, you have to keep an eye on MicroStrategy and a bunch of other stuff to know exactly what's happening. Right now, market is closed. If I'm correct, yeah, I'm correct. Market will open after 27 minutes. So as soon as the market open, we're gonna know what's happening. Mostly if MicroStrategy starts pumping, Bitcoin is gonna start pumping. So be really careful. As for now, stay active. I'm damn hungry, man. I haven't even eaten anything. Sorry about this. Okay, guys. So right now gold is making a small pullback. So this might be your window to get in a buy, but there are two ways you can do it. Either wait for it and then enter, or either sell, take your profit and get in. Your possible entry zone is 2644, in between 2644 and 2638. This area will be exactly the same area where I will enter too. But right now, this half hour is really important because New York is gonna open exactly after 26 minutes. So you might see a pump on Bitcoin too at the same time. So stay tuned. We're gonna make lots of profits just like always, just like every week, just like every day. By the grace of Almighty God, keep us humble and keep the devil away and the haters away. Let's make some profits. Let's go, baby. Right now, everything is in a sideways range market. Everything. My eyes is specifically on gold, natural gas, crude oil, and a bunch of forex player. I will be trading a lot of things this month. Lots of things. And if you are not in the premium group, premium signal group, I mean, you will miss out a lot, guys. I'm not joking. We are making so much profit. Please become a part of it and, experience it at least once in your life. Nobody has ever messaged me that he didn't make profits for my signal. And the ones who did were always the gamblers who opened 8855 lot. Anyways, gold is moving up. I hope you took my advice and you entered around this area, because I also entered over here. My entry was a little bit late. Since this trade is really close, my stop loss is really tight. Because if this is the push, then we are in for a ride. It looks like the push. Anyways, guys, like and subscribe the channel. I think we are about to take off anytime. Like all the time. Again, this was last Friday. This is today. Let me also turn on the market sessions. This is the market session right now. Let me close this now. This was Friday. We took this trade live on a stream over here too. I got in early with my premium guys during Tokyo and pre-London, but on live stream I did told them, I mean the YouTubers, the YouTube subscribers, to get in. It was a nice profit. And today too, in the morning, guys in group 1 got message early. Group 2, pre-London, since their time zone vary. And even right now in New York open. It's going up. We are green, baby. Let's go. Nothing usual, just following the trade plan. Always have a trade plan. I think gold is about to go retest the same area. Yep, it's going to. Before before the data comes out, before the it's gonna go back there. Before the ISM is gonna head back up there, and besides ISM, today's S&P Global US PMI, US manufacturing PMI too. That's also gonna play a really important role. If you're somebody who's trading crypto, you definitely need to keep an eye on what do you call S&P Global US manufacturing PMI. That's directly gonna affect S&P 500, which in return is gonna affect crypto. If you don't know the correlation between S&P 500 and crypto, please go put both of them side by side on day one time frame and see for yourself. It will not be 99% exactly, but at least 80% there is correlation. Okay guys, we are in profit. Our trade is running profit. This trade which I took exactly in front of you is in profit. The buy, gold buy, re-entry. I'm gonna let the chart run like this because I'm eating. Don't mind. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm so damn hungry, man. Let's try to keep this professional. Today is ISM, and exactly after 15 minutes, New York Stock Exchange is gonna open. So you might see a drop before the US stock opens because of we also have to keep an eye on MicroStrategy shares. Because as the market opens, if MicroStrategy starts dropping, we might see the continuation on the Bitcoin sell-off. I am seeing gold retesting 2674. I don't know about all-time high. I think we will reach all-time high, but that will take Wednesday. As for now, let's keep booking our profits. As for now, let's keep bagging in the money. Okay, guys, let's quickly move on. But before that, let's wake up the neighborhood. Why is the chat not active? Okay, I see lots of pairs moving. I see GBP JPY dropping. I see Euro. Oh my god, everything is in a sideways range, which is also good. Our stream is strictly surrounding itself around gold and cryptocurrency, so we're gonna try to stay on the topic. Hunter Biden is in trouble. Face stress of prison time. Now that's he deserved it, by the way. Gold is still pumping. If anybody was able to get in that entry really good, if wasn't, it's alright. Don't be in a FOMO. It's better to be safe than sorry. And by the way, we still have ISM, so we don't know what's gonna happen. It's gonna dump or pump, or it's gonna pump and dump. So there is possibility of that too. So wait for it. I see lots of swings and long-term trade setups forming on Forex pairs, even on gold. Again, guys, if I don't get likes, I won't be streaming for long. If I don't get enough likes, again, I'm saying I won't stream for more than an hour. It's just 8 minutes left. Let's 1 hour 30 minutes. Let's just say that if I don't get enough likes, I'll switch off before ISM. 15 minutes before ISM. I'm gonna troll you guys. Nah, man, I know you guys liked it. It's alright, still love you. Gold is pushing up. That's a relief. That's what I wanna see. That's what everybody else wanna see. Gold going up. 8 minutes left for the New York Stock Exchange to open. As soon as it opens, we might see a push in crypto or a dump or continuation of the dump. If you ask me, I personally think it's gonna keep on moving down. If anybody who's watching the stream and hasn't liked and subscribed, please smash it. We just took a buy re-entry live on a stream, just like always. Nothing new. Doing what we supposed to do, make profits. This was last Friday low and high. It just broke last Friday low and high, and as soon as it break now, it's headed towards 2655. I said as soon as it breaks 2655, it's gonna push towards Friday Tokyo London high. That's where our profit is sitting, and I think when we will get there, ISM will come out, and as soon as the ISM comes out, we're gonna see a pump or a dump or a dump or a pump or a pump or a pump or a dump or a complete dump. So these are 4 possible outcomes. Say with me: pump and keeps on pumping, dumps and keeps on dumping. Third possible outcome, dump and pump. Fourth possible outcome, pump and dump. That depends upon what kind of news it will be. We have to read the data right now. The market sentiment for gold is bearish. Retail sellers are selling it, but OG traders know that the trend is still bullish as long as gold is about 2650. Right now, gold is hovering in between 2620 and 2660, kind of stuck in between because bears and bulls are fighting with each other. We don't care who wins. We will just bag our profits and get the hell out of the market. We have to survive the war. We don't have to take casualties. The battle might be over, but the war is still going on and it is still going, still on ranging. One front will end, another front will open. Let's keep on making profits, keep on taking partial profits, and finding ways to make more money. By the way, our main objective today and tomorrow will be try to grab some long trades for this week and keep them open till New York session on Friday when the NFP comes out. We have already taken profits on 2631, 2638, 2644, 2649, and still we're gonna keep on taking profits on each Fibonacci level. Some of our trades are still running on break even. We are in profits. This trade which we took exactly around 15 minutes ago, we are also in profit. This trade is also running at break even, so we are in profits by the grace of Almighty. And 4 minutes left for the New York market, New York Stock Exchange to open in exactly before the New York opens. Look at Bitcoin is just making a push up. As I say and as I always say, if you wanna buy Bitcoin, wait for the New York session to open. As soon as the New York session open, MicroStrategy, New York exchange, so stock exchange is gonna open, is gonna push up depending upon what's happening. Within that, a specific share. If you don't know what to do, you can join the premium. By the way, like and subscribe the channel. Premium service is only available for those people who cannot trade. They have jobs, they're on jobs, so it's specifically for them. But if you're a trader and also looking to make tons of money, you want accurate entry based upon proper analysis, not just fundamental sentiment, but also on ground realities. We have all the resources, all the team to make the smart and the right choices for you. Our results are proven. They're on the Discord, they're on Telegram, all the screenshots, everything is out there. The truth is out there. We are making back-to-back profits. Let's focus. The hell? Let's focus on the stream. This is MicroStrategy. Oh, sorry, this is MicroStrategy. This was a bull trap. If after 2 minutes the New York Stock Exchange opens and the MicroStrategy keeps on dropping, you will see a sudden drop, the continuation of drop on Bitcoin. As of now, dollar index is pumping, gold is pumping, Euro USD is dropping, and Bitcoin is pumping. Just waiting 2 minutes for the bell to ring. So we are finally in the New York Stock Exchange open. My eyes is I'm gonna try to grab a buy because I missed a sell on Bitcoin in the morning because I was teaching the 4th batch. But my algo on my laptop grabbed a trade based on swing trend trading. I still made profits, baby. Always have a backup plan. Even your backup plan should have a backup plan. Be optimistic, be positive, be energetic, make profits, baby. Like and subscribe the channel to stay up to date. Every day, 2 hours New York, 2 hours London. If you guys hit the like button and give 10 likes, 20 likes, I'll stream the entire New York session. I'm saying again, if I get 10 to 20 likes, I'm gonna stream the entire New York session. That means lots of trade opportunities for you guys. All you have to do is smash the like button. Almost 78% of the people who watch this stream don't even subscribe. Why, buddy? Subscribe, stay updated. Right now, a lot of things are happening. Syrian war has started again. Hey, what's up, Farhan? Hey, what's up, Farhan? Will go. Hey, just asking. Will go down as my salary, brother. I have one question for you. Don't mind. Why didn't you put a stop loss, brother? Listen, I know the trade psychology is when the people hate to take loss, but if you would have taken that loss as 26.30 and entered a buy, you would be making profits. But don't mind. but that is poor trade psychology. You know that. I cannot promise anything. If you wanna listen to the reality, gold is, look at this chart, brother. I don't wanna hurt you, but if you have a drawdown, I'll just say wait for the news. Wait for the news. If the news come and dumps, it won't exactly hit your entry, but at least it will be close to that. Okay, close your trade, minimize your loss. Okay, if it pumps up, cut your losses and close that trade. But my question is, why didn't you put a stop loss? My advice is, for next time, Farhan, whenever you open a buy or a sell, you should put your stop loss $5 away. Like just say I'm on a buy over here, I still put my stop loss $5 the opposite direction. Same goes for selling. If I sell, I put my stop loss $5 away. This is tight stop loss. Okay, a normal stop loss is $10. Okay, nothing more than that, brother. Don't chase your losses. That's a poor trade psychology. If you would have taken that loss and entered over here, you would have made the profit, brother. The thing is, in order to make profit, you have to learn to take loss. Imagine you are the general in the army. Okay, you have 500 soldiers. You know this is war. Casualties gonna happen. Okay, 500 soldiers go, 300, 400 are gonna come back. There's gonna be 80-90% casualty. So in this market, when you are making profit, say to yourself, let's just say if you made $2,000 profit at the end of the month, it might be because you also lose $300 or $200, but that would not be from your initial capital. That would be your profit anyways. My understanding is that this 2650 is a really strong area. If price holds this range and it drops down, okay, I'm closing my entry over here because data is about to release. I close my buy. If this drops down, Farhan, you are in for a trade, brother. If this thing drops, drop, but don't take any loss more than, because if I show you, Farhan, over here, this is the Fibonacci. If you're not familiar with how Fibonacci works, this is the Fibonacci which I drew on Friday. This area 2654 breaks is gonna head up, but it looks like if this, because this is the exact same area where on last Friday price came and it rejected and went back up, and before the market closed it came back, and during today's Sydney it dropped down. And as of now, I think, buddy, you are in a safe side. It's dropping down. You would have opened your, also one tip, why would you open a sell over here? I mean, look at this. I'm not making fun of you, but logically trying to teach you something, since this is an educational stream. Open 1 hour. Okay, why would you open a sell over here? I mean, I don't trade just based on support, resistance, demand and supply, but even still, brother, why would you open a sell over here? You know, whenever you see, always put this in your head that levels like this, support and resistance are always broken on high impact news or some geopolitical, stuff. It doesn't break just like that, brother. This is the most common mistake 98% of the new traders make, is they chase their loss. Brother, try to take the loss. Next time you will make profits. I am always saying, you are army journal. Okay, you have $500, $100, let's just say you have $500. Those are not $500, those are 500 soldiers. Okay, if you invest that money, you're gonna make $300, $400, but on the way you're gonna lose $20, $30, $50, but nothing more than that. Okay, nobody makes profits all the time. Even me, once in a while, including all traders, we hit a stop loss. When the stop loss is hit, that is an educated stop loss. Why? Because you put your risk. You weren't chasing your losses. Understand, brother? Get your trade strategy correct, your profitability ratio will increase from 90%. Trust me and watch my stream daily. Join my Telegram channel, okay? I have free and paid services both, okay? Whatever suits you, choose it. Right now, since it's New Year's and Black Fridays just went by, we have Christmas coming and holidays coming, so it's 25% off on premium subscription. So instead of $100, you guys have to pay $75 per month, and there's a more discount on 3-month, yearly, and lifetime. So check it out. If it's not in your budget, you can come here, watch the stream daily, and take notes. And I might, throw a tip or two for you guys to make profit. Brother, always put a stop loss. Stop loss is your friend. Okay? No stop loss is your ex-girlfriend. Always remember that. A stop loss is your friend, is your best friend, is your best dude who's always, advising you, dude, she's a gold digger. And no stop loss is a gold digger. Guess what? Because you're gonna dig all your money. You have to joke around. No stop loss is a gold digger. Anyways, guys, give me 5 minutes and I need to go and, check the guys who are sitting in the Discord premium channel. Likes and subscribe the channel. I'll be right back. And please hit the like button. If I get 10 likes, I'm gonna stream for the entire New York session. And yeah, thank you for coming. Right now 8 people are watching, only 4 likes. Guys, come on, if all of you like, I'll be streaming here for the entire New York session. Yes, I'll be busy in between. I'm gonna start my 4th batch, Pro Wolf Trader 4th batch, but my live stream will be on, and I'll be coming in between, on and off to answer your questions and check up on you guys. Hit the like button, guys. Again, I'm saying, if I get 10 likes, I'll stream the entire New York session. Right now, gold is dropping down, but if you don't have any trades running, don't open now. Wait for the data to come out. Then we're gonna take the news. Maybe it dump and pump, maybe it pump and pump. Don't trade the news. Be smart. We don't open our trades on news. We have our trades running pre-London and pre or during Tokyo session. So we prepare for New York session, high impact news way before in Tokyo and London session. We never open trades on spot. This is what pro traders do. They minimize their risk. Always minimize your risk. Trading is all about statistics, probabilities, charting, watching the news. Yes, it's a human emotion. And you minimize your risk through trade psychology and following basic market. What do you say? It's maths, basically. It's maths, statistics, and economics. A combination of economics, maths, and statistics. And if you don't follow anything, thank you, Azad. Thank you for mentioning that. By the way, let me quickly switch on to the high impact news mood. Give me 1 minute. Okay, guys. So the high impact news right now is ISM services, ISM manufacturing PMI, and forecast is 47.7%. Previous was 46.5%. So this is 1% more. Let's go on to see how it's gonna impact. Wait 1 minute, please. Wait 1 minute. Natural gas is pumping. Good for us. I know that. A man with a plan, baby. Pro Wolf Trader. 1 minute, please. Okay guys, I'm back, and it looks like gold is making a fake out or a breakout. Let's just hope this is the drop that Farhan is looking for. And so I took my profits over here, majority of them. This trade is running at break even. I am also considering a short scalp right now, but you know, I'm not gonna have any high hopes since this is New York session, and since this is Monday and the entire week there's high volatile news that's gonna have a direct effect on our trades. We need to be really careful. Again, I'm saying that after 20 minutes I mentioned, okay, first news coming out, S&P 500 and yeah, S&P manufacturing, that's the first news. Farhan, if it moves above 20, wait a second. I'm just advising you, brother. This advice is just based on, you know, maybe if it, because there is a, by the way, there is a gap, right? There is a gap because the market opened today, so the market might fill in the gap. I can see it on my broker. It's not visible on TradingView, but it's visible. By the way, I'm looking at economic calendar, that's why the chart is not moving. I'm looking at the S&P. Okay, so S&P global manufacturing PMI came out, but it's Canada, not US, and it came out positive. Just 1 minute left for the New York one. Just waiting for it. Just waiting for it. Okay, it's a pump. Look at crypto pump. Look at the crypto pump. My god. Look at crypto pump. By the way, we were in a buy. We were in a buy. That is just some crazy move. 95 from 9500 to 9600, 96800 in just a push, single push. That's crazy, man. Obviously it took a couple of 1 hour candles, but even then, damn. Okay, the data is 49.7% is higher. This is good. For dollar index is pumping, euro USD is dropping. So that means it's bearish for gold. Gold is coming down. It's good for you. One down, one to go, buddy. We still have ISM. If ISM services is also good for dollar, dollar index is gonna pump. Euro USD is gonna drop down to hell, along with all the major USD pairs, and gold is gonna drop down to hell too, buddy. I'm going in and I'm entering in a short on gold right now. My stop loss is sitting at 26.55. I entered a sell. Okay, I'm in a sell. Let me just quickly put it. My stop loss is 25.55. Farhan, again I'm saying, if it drops to the area where you took your trade, just close it without even thinking. ISM is coming out. Alright. You don't want to be trading, losing your money based upon some random news that you don't have control over. Okay. Wait for the news. As soon as it's out, I will read the news and I'm going to inform you the best possible choice, the course of action for you to take in order to become profitable at the end of the day. As of now, there is a relief. Still, we have two hurdles. The first one is this demand zone at 26.38, then at 26.27. As soon as this breaks over here, I think the news will break it, or before the news. Right now, the dollar index is pumping and euro USD is dropping. By the way, what you see in front of your screens right now is a premium signal that was given to all the guys in the premium group 1 and 2. We took this signal and this is our long signal, long. And we are gonna let this trade run for 2-3 months because euro USD might not come back this high. As soon as Trump takes over, it's gonna be dollar, baby dollar. Everybody in Biden era were buying gold, so everybody will be buying dollar then. I've been trading for 7 years, so I have seen all the trends in the market. So I know how market works. It's dropping, it's profit. So this is why I say join the premium. It's much better. You will relax. You will have less stress. You will not lose money. The amount of money you guys lose on your accounts is just it's a small fees pay, get in the premium, make money. Yeah, that's the only way. If you having difficulty, if you are new to trading, at least join a group that knows what it's doing. So by the time it takes you a year or two to trade by yourself, take profits, buddy. If you are trading on real, it's just a piece of advice. Just follow me or you follow somebody else, but do that. Okay, put your money where the mouth is. I put my money where my mouth is. I don't talk about here and there. I put my money where my mouth is and I do everything live. This is like call myself pro wolf trader, baby. Pro fucking wolf trader. And don't let the haters hate you, buddy. Ignore the haters. We are on a sell. Again, I'm saying we are on a sell. This is short-term scalp. But I'm gonna close this as before the high impact news. Right before 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I'm gonna close this short-term sell. Understand? Is it clear? Is it clear for you guys? Okay. Ten minutes left for the high impact news. Construction is pending, ISM employment, new orders, manufacturing PMI, manufacturing prices. In short, is PMI, baby. Be really careful when trading around high impact news. It might liquidate your account if you don't know what lot size you are choosing. Okay, let's focus on one more thing. By the way, the data is expected to be 47.7, which is higher. And if it comes in higher, gold is gonna drop. Dollar is gonna pump, gold is gonna drop. I don't know how much gold is gonna drop. It might drop and it, dump and pump. There is no way to find out how the market reacts to it. I'm still saying long term I'm bullish, but short term intraday I'm expecting at least gold to retest this zone again, because we are in a sideways range. Mostly I have seen this, that gold might break above 2655 or 2650, but that usually happens around Wednesday, Thursday and Friday on unemployment or a Powell speech or NFP. Before that, the market is always side range, so you can keep on scalping the sideways range. Always buy near what you say possible resistance support area. Take small profits over here and sell over here to keep on profiting on the sideways range and wait for the data to come out. Inflation is rising right now in America, and Fed is ignoring inflation by cutting interest rate. Even right now when the economy is doing really good, they don't need to cut interest rate, but they are. So that's that damaging their economy. Their dollar is losing its value. Okay guys, just like I said, I'm gonna close my trade right before the news 5 minutes. I'm closing the trade. The trade is closed. So I'm just waiting for the data now. Disregard of profit and loss. I'm closing my trade. My buy from Tokyo low is running. dude. Chiggy, what the hell you dude? Chiggy, can you hear me? Oh, there of my shit, man. Chiggy, why did you open a buy right now when the high data news is coming out? I told you to wait, buddy. Close that trade on break even. You wanna die? Do you wanna die? Close the trade. Wait for it, dude. If you have a trade running from the bottom, it's all right, but never open